guys, Rachel here, and today I'm going to talk to you about these Purple Dahlia Sugar Scrub Balls. So I'm all about like self-care, perfumes, lotions, bath bombs, etc. And so when I came across these scrubs are moisturizing and they turn into kind of like a lotion when you use them. And I have never seen anything like that before. So it made me really curious. So I decided to go ahead and try them, and I wanted to try them out with you guys. Let's see how it goes. It comes wrapped with a clear layer around it. You have to remove this first. Then screw off the lid and remove this. Now I have it open and they smell so good. My dog is curious. She wants to eat them. Now let's head over to the bathroom to sample these. 7 scrubs come in a container with 5 different scents. The scents are apple, lemon, blueberry, strawberry, and grape. Start by picking your favorite scent and getting it slightly wet. Then start to rub your hands together with the scrub in between. You'll see the scrub starting to dissolve between your hands. The more you rub it, it turns into a consistency like a thick lotion. If you separate your hands, you'll see a creamy wire drawstring effect, and that's where the magic happens. The collagen and sugar are being spread throughout your skin, improving circulation, strengthening, exfoliating, and moisturizing your skin all at the same time. I applied it on my hands because my hands are always so dry, but I also decided to try it on my arms, and wow, did I feel a difference. As soon as I started washing it off, I could already tell my skin feels so smooth and it looked so much healthier and like it was glowing. So now that I've used these, my skin is definitely so much softer. It feels so good. The dry skin around my knuckles was removed. Like, it exfoliated them, it softened, it moisturized. Like, I love these. I'm definitely going to start incorporating them into my weekly skincare routine, and I can safely say that I do recommend them.